tongai rokno tai madam tongo sir tongo non jotono no khulum bai ke ang kai ni basa basa English koboro যদি কোনো মিস্টেক বা কোনো ভুল খানকাই আনক ক্ষমা খাই দেখিছে পहिले आं already introduction लिरखाय कि आं senior scientific officer forensic department no actually आंनि किसा introduction रनाय आं परे आं सुरु खायनाय जे सानाम खमन आंहा कायसा एकदम backward village नि माने पारानि न आं उनको तोरै लगे हिगिया आंहा boarding school आनो आनि मा बाबा सं लिरहरका कारण तमनि बागै नगो एकदम education या माने को local नि बर रक मा एकदम disturbance इन जगा so I was born and brought up in a very small village backward village and I was sent for education in a boarding school. So my parents sent me in a boarding school because there were a lot of disturbance at home. You know, disturbance from the local people. We could not do education. All our family members, means my brothers, sisters, no one of us could do education in a village because, you know, during that time there were a lot of, you know, jealousy and all these things. Then after that, slowly, till class 10 I have done my education from convent, then I did my 11-12 from Shillong, then graduation, postgraduate in MSc in chemistry from Banastali University and PhD from NIT Agartala. During my PhD, when I was pursuing my PhD, first I was working as a junior scientist in Pollution Control Board for almost 3.5 years. After that, after appearing a lot of competitive exams and all this, I got as a senior scientific officer, I mean scientist B in forensic science. So this is my career and I am all jaga sopai mane ang pula fro ostes all jaga all stage of sopai mane it is also because of my parents from my family support because I have that determination and kaisa determination tongo ang all jaga sogonya nangnai ani kaisa dream tongo so I fro sum onek kostong kha and when I was in the school I was using people's, you know, many of the parents were, you know, doing job and all these things. Ani babu sangkang guy, gisti. My parents were a farmer. You know, my parents used to go and pay school fees after 6 months, even 1 year, because they could not afford. Boro grangri me school fees wrong. Ek bos ni pore rogriyo. Why? Karon master rock, principal rock, ano singing borok or opportunity ruo ki that Monica's parents can pay fees after 1 year or even after 1 year because I was so much obedient to my teacher. I consider my teachers as my God. So because of this they were giving my parents opportunity. Yes, see, we should give her a chance. So this is one of the how I struggle, how my parents supported because my parents ani ma babu songani bai bon song bagre ang asuk jolo sopaya. Engka ang mo jaga dikhin jaga kaisa mane norma asuk jaga no I'm really thankful to the president for inviting me and giving me such opportunity. Ano opportunity rema bagre ang like saja karon live and the interaction, you know, it's hardly we get chances. So I'm not going to say interaction khainga je mane angwa jaga speech runa bagre I'm not by interaction khainga just friendly interaction so not hesitate na khaidi and abo kona sikan all of you are not jotono college ni students baksa job holders na baksa kas khayo mane you know baksa social work khaina all mix up. Engka all career mane ang asuk jolo sopai mani ani yago noita points to why am I here in this stage? How I am able to come to this particular stage? माने जे पोस्ट माने जे तब उनको मान मानी जगह हम भाई के शौक है कारण आने अब फर्स्ट पॉइंट इंस्पिरेशन तो इंस्पिरेशन करें इनका काय लाशी दे confused टांगले inspiration and motivation they are two different phenomena हम दुईटा phenomena motivation kan kai बारे ने बड़ा फाइन नो motivate खाइने inspiration kai सिनी निजिनी मांग को नाय ई आं खाइने मुसुंगो आं मा खाइने Napoleon Bonaparte saw there is nothing in the word impossible kasi kare bine bagai dictionary word same thing I myself I consider that impossible there is no impossible for me in a dictionary impossible word buji na kare impossible no ra buji yes no very good impossible abo shobdo no nilalhai tom impossible sing chesta khai manai sungkono kam khaine thang kai sangsaman are am khaide mano will I able to do will I become successful oh what others will say if I go and ask but puitamo sanaya jodi am failing khang kai omo kaina sini bukhago tong remove all this all negativities remove khaide sob somoy positive thinking khaide tabuk sungkono kas khaide kai nang kaham khaima mang thangnai ta kintu nang kaisa galti kam khaikeng kai no galti bai wrong nai kintu ba galti no side to ne always think positive oh inspiration bui motivate khai thangnai yang de khai thangnai kintu sin bokha bisine kaisa inspiration tongna nangnai I ang khaina musung ni obo anga tell say excited je kuno kam khaine puro noro you have to feel excited oh no kaisa you have given a particular word or you are going to just like for me and kas khaine thang kai I just don't simply see first I should see not actually you know Abdul Kalam is my idol ang Abdul Kalam no simi ang admire khayo ang bini footsteps se actually follow khayo Abdul Kalam tam sani ni department no ta hamzak di ni kam no se chajak di you love your work job but don't try to love your department because department will never know when they will throw you out of the department the company when they will throw you out you will not know but ni kam no se hamzak di ni kam no hamzak ka automatically company no hamzak nai so love your job feel excited sing excited khai kasma khainai obo kaisa sob somoy bai hasi khushi mane frustration on obo just remove it obo khaina ni bukha tongge because ang sana ani diba I am the only lady officer and I'm going to struggle ang asul daro soba I'm going to struggle khai only I know so feel excited and set a goal ma tong nai tabung nung goal tong ki ang you know I want to go to star I want to go to moon we are not saying that you become a scientist and go to star or go to moon no oboya nang athukuri o thangai ba talo thangai neng kaisa ko na oboya jikon phanang thu bodor phanang tu nang kaisa paro thangai underprivileged je education kuri je kuri rokno nang kaisa phurna thangka ka neng kaisa goal ma tang I antini je sakapano phurungai ma phainai kaisa goal ma tang you have to set a goal ani ko buji banya bleno ro bu buji ni buji ang kai sade ano ha kai ka kaisa make a plan tabuk o jaga program mani planning sara you know without planning this program could not be that successful so kaisa planning ma tong my future ro nang ja kuno kas khane thang kai planning ma tong I angan ti khane musunga tini phungai yang ga antam khane obo kaisa planning ma tong nai engkai jemon tabu je job holder ba je kuno norok students college students sob somoy busy tongo poraro benga you take a small break hataro thangdi mind refresh kai hedi karon sob somoy kaj bai ekdom busy in packing tong kai mind frustration hoi thango Sini kabang gotongo. I've seen the mane sini indigenous people. Indigenous people lo agi students ro koto sori thiya, biti sari thiya. Tam baru apa thibai. Tang gui o negativity fai, ang tang gui apa mane ang fail kha, bang pori mai ang kan nijino unko tam sanai. Butar sisne ba o dunia ni yadar thana tang gui obu kha fai, obu nota fai di. Karon failure dong kaise suno successful khayo. Sob somay successful khai thang tang kai o failure ni shabdota nang buji mangla. Ang boro sopne babe ang kabang failing kha mane no porika failure oboya. Kabang challenges face ma khaiya. Ta ni babe anting ba e obono o kaise negativity thought obono yakare rute. Engai selfless work jemon no rog anu na anu jaga sopaya sini president kaham ko semano side by side ang sakre khaitri no je ang task khaiman sa social work khaiman sa ang khayo. I'm trying to work in such a way that tabuk sumpori which aggressive man khai anting ya. We had to mane sunsini borok no kaisama rena ki bo sustain ma khainai. We have to give something without expecting anything. Sung tabuk sungkun kas khane thang tang sinta ma mano obviously wan subo. Ini antiya. Kas khane thang tang kai nang kuno expect ta khai de. Nang o kas no khai re thang kai nang khushi nai. Obo ani ang khub nije experience sungo. Ani sob mane kuno time like second Saturday and Sundays whenever I get time I used to go to teach underprivileged students. I don't get anything from them but I feel really happy. Boromo sung gyan maranai. Tamne bage oro sung jotono you drogna especially hinja sayaman because narok se future generation. Why we are all the youths are called here? Because you all are future generation. क्यों youths इतना सारा youths क्यों है? क्योंकि हम लोग future generation. इसके बाद हमारा बच्चे लोग आएगा, फिर से बच्चे लोग आएगा. We must think for our future generations. Like for example, environment, environment is polluting. Just we are thinking up to our level. But what will happen to our future generation? Nothing. They will die without getting any oxygen, full of carbon dioxide and poisonous gas. So we must think, and that's why you are called here to think, do something. Come in unity. What is written there? Knowledge, character and unity. Share your knowledge. जितना भी आप knowledge देंगे इतना ही बढ़ेगा. Money आप देंगे, money will reduce. धीरे धीरे but knowledge कभी नहीं. Share your knowledge. The more knowledge you give, the more you get. See for example, Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa तो मर गए मतलब she is in heaven. Thomas but her work still continued. So she is remembered with her work. Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison कौन है पता है? Who is Thomas Edison? हाँ? Do you know Thomas Edison anyways? Light. किसने दिया ये लाइट? इन्वेंट किया थॉमस एडिसन. सी उसने लाइट के लिए हम लोग को इतना मतलब इन्वेंट किया. Because of him we could see now. His work is continued. He is remembered because of his work. Same thing. आपको कोई नहीं पूछेगा कि आपका बैंक बैलेंस कितना है, आप कितना मतलब आपका डिग्री क्या है, कोई नहीं पूछेगा. आपको पूछेगा आपने काम क्या किया. यही है. इसलिए अच्छा काम करो, यूनिटी करो, अच्छा काम करो, मीन्स डू समथिंग गुड. ऐसी चीज का करो को एक्सपेक्टेशंस कभी मत सोचो. बट बी सेल्फलेस, बी सेल्फलेस. डोंट बी सेल्फिश. ये सेल्फिश कभी मत होना. बहुत बार मीन्स मेरा एक्सपीरियंस से मैं बता रही हूँ. कई बार मुझे बहुत सारे लोग बुलाते हैं, अरे यार कुछ सिखाओ, मेरा स्टूडेंट्स कुछ वो करो, ये करो. लेकिन जो लोग मेरे साथ मतलब whoever get chance to call me, means come along with me, they always ask for this money. मुझे क्या मिलेगा जाके? अरे जब उनका पास है ही नहीं तो क्या देगा? So be generous. Don't be so selfish. And one more thing I want to say is that so these are some of the things I want to share with you. What are the 9 points you have to target not to be a successful? To be a successful, to be a selfless person, you have to find inspiration, you have to set a goal, make a plan, remove negativity from your mind, set selfless and share your knowledge. बहुत बार मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया. ड्यूरिंग माई एजुकेशन में अकेले वी वेर अराउंड 250 स्टूडेंट्स इन माई मास्टर डिग्री एंड आई एम द ओनली नॉर्थ ईस्ट. मैं अकेली नॉर्थ ईस्ट थी पूरा मास्टर डिग्री में साइंस में, मीन्स फार्मास्यूटिकल केमिस्ट्री एंड प्योर केमिस्ट्री. मैं अकेले वो था. और मेरा एक सर था दिनेश. आई रियली रेस्पेक्ट दैट सर सो मच. कुछ भी हो, he is like a role father, means वो मेरा मेरा बहुत बड़ा गाइड था. वो इतना मीन्स is very has a very good knowledge in all field of chemistry. और मुझे एक बार पूछा एमएससी केमिस्ट्री की बात क्या करेंगे उस समय, तो मैंने बोला अरे एमबीए करूँगी. बिकॉज उस टाइम मेरा दिमाग में क्या है, रुपीस. I want to get rupees. I want to be rich. MBA means you can be entrepreneurship or you can go for business of this. We are going to work in a company. उसने मुझे 250 स्टूडेंट्स के सामने मुझे बहुत डांटा. मुझे ये मतलब वो स्कोलिंग मुझे अभी भी याद है. बिकॉज ऑफ स्कोलिंग आई एम हियर एक्चुअली. बहुत डांटा मुझे. इफ यू हैव ऑप्टेड फॉर इफ यू आपने मुझे आप एमबीए करना चाहते हो, एमएससी क्यों किया? डायरेक्ट बीएससी करने के बाद एमबीए करने चले जाओ, क्यों किया? Why are you wasting your time in all these practicals and reactions, these burning everything? So in education also you must aim for something where you can give. I am here. I'm not saying that I have become rich. No. Through my work, I can help many of the people. So this is what I share knowledge. आपके पास जितना भी knowledge है share करो, क्योंकि share is a very big investment. Franklin एक सब दिया. Sharing knowledge is a big investment. आप रुपीस इन्वेस्ट करेंगे बैंक में, धीरे धीरे 7.5% 8% वो मिलेगा. लेकिन नॉलेज सबसे बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट है. सो शेयर योर नॉलेज, डोंट कीप विद इन योर सेल्फ. इसलिए नॉलेज शेयर करो. जितना भी आपके पास नॉलेज है वो शेयर करो. क्या पता उनका आइडिया, और क्या पता आप नॉलेज शेयर करने से उनका कुछ और आइडिया है, उनका पास कुछ और नॉलेज है. Then you can learn from him. keeping all that ego na, I will tell one thing, ego is a very big problem. Ego दबा के रखना. Keep your ego down and try to, share. Don't be so proud. ये proud ना तो कोई बहुत लोग हैं. अरे मैं ये बन गया वो बन गई, मैं किसी के साथ बात नहीं करूँगी, ये बहुत कुछ है. Please don't be like that. Be simple. ये proudness and ego problem नीचे रखे है ना. Please try to give knowledge to your young brothers and sisters. So it will be very positive. It's one of the, it will be very big challenges for you if you can give your knowledge to someone else and work in a unity. Already Madam have clearly given a very big this picture. Madam ने पूरा अच्छा picture दे दिया about ABP. Unity. एक साथ काम करना चाहिए. कोई इंडिविजुअली काम नहीं करेगा. मतलब काम करने से कोई सक्सेसफुल नहीं होगा. बी इट इन रिसर्च फील्ड एक टीम करके मैडम का खुद वो किया. प्रेसिडेंट भी बहुत बड़ा हुआ. टीम से काम करने से है ना सक्सेस जल्दी हो जाता है. एंड नॉलेज ऑल्सो यू कैन गेट. So this is some of the important things I would like to share with you, and try to remember all these things, and whenever you do nothing, always something good. So I won't extend मुझे ज़्यादा नहीं बोलेगा. जो मैंने बोला शायद आप लोग सब you all understood. If anybody like to interact, I'm keeping this time for interaction actually. So कोई interaction करना चाहते then you all are most free. Friendly interaction. So I think so everybody got me. समझ में आया ना सबको मैंने क्या बोला? हाँ? Yes? बुबुजी बख्या अंतम सा? Eka अब हाँ? बुझी क्या? After going from here, what will you do? Clashing? No. Fighting? No. What are you going to do? Treasure it. Not only treasure it, you have to implement it. You have to practice it. Anybody working with social work, anybody NGO? You? So which NGO you are working with?
I have my own NGO.
Oh, great. Name? Okay, where is it?